Friends, I Dr. Santosh Sharma, Professor Faculty of Education, Swami Vivekananda Subharati University. Today we will discuss about the reliability, types of the reliability and the validity and its type. Reliability is a measure of the stability or consistency of the test score. अर्थात रिलायबिलिटी विश्वसनीयता वह है जो कंसिस्टेंसी को मापता है, अर्थात कि अंकों में समरूपता कितनी है. इट इज़ द डिग्री टू विच अ टेस्ट कंसिस्टेंटली मेजर्स whatever it measures. There are many statistical tools we can use to measure reliability. For example, Cooder-Richardson 20 formula or Cronbach alpha test. Cronbach's alpha test. Now, types of reliability. There are 4 types of the reliability: test, retest, reliability. The retest method assesses the external consistency of a test. Examples of appropriate tests include questionnaires and psychometric test. It measures the stability of a test over a time, administering the same questionnaire at 2 different times. And inter-rater reliability. Second is inter-rater reliability. Assesses the degree of agreement between 2 or more raters in their appraisals. For example, a person gets a stomach ache and different doctors all give the same diagnosis. This is called inter-rater reliability. Next है inter-method reliability. It assesses the degree to which test scores are consistent when there is a variation in the method or instrument used. This allows inter-rater reliability to be ruled out. Next is internal consistency reliability. It assesses the consistency of result across item within a test. Now we come to the definition of validity. Validity is the extent to which a test measures what it is supposed to measure. अर्थात ये उसको मेज़र करता है जिसके लिए बनाया गया है, जिसके लिए इसका अर्थात इसकी उद्देश्य जो है कि उसी को मेज़र करे, वो उस चीज़ की वैलिडिटी कहलाएगी, उस टेस्ट की वैलिडिटी वैधता कहलाएगी. द क्वेश्चन ऑफ वैलिडिटी इज रेज्ड इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द 3 पॉइंट्स: the form of the test, the purpose of the test, and the population for whom it is intended. Types of validity. Face validity. It is the most basic type of validity and it is associated with the highest level of subjective because it is not based on any scientific approach. Construct validity relates to assess the sustainability of measurement tool to measure the phenomena being studied. Criterion related validity involves comparison of test results with the outcome. This specific type of validity correlates results of assessment with another criterion of assessment. Formative validity. It refers to the assessment of effectiveness of the measures in terms of providing information that can be used to improve specific aspects of the phenomena. Sampling validity. It is called similar to content validity. It ensures that the area of coverage of the measure within the research area is vast. Sampling validity means when the sample is derived from the population and it is totally represent the whole population or the whole items, this is called sample validity. Now we come to the importance of these validity and reliability. Without validity and reliability, one cannot test a hypothesis because both are very essential in a research work. Without hypothesis, testing cannot be support a theory. और यदि हम हाइपोथेसिस को टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते तो हम किसी थ्योरी के पास के नज़दीक नहीं जा सकते, अर्थात उसको प्राप्त नहीं कर सकते, उसको ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते. विदाउट अ सपोर्टेड थ्योरी वन कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इवेंट्स अकर. और बिना सपोर्टेड